What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Hustle with JesseW, and today we're going to go over another day trading recap, but this is on futures and my new broker. Check it out. All right, guys, so let's jump into this. So today what we're going to do is, this is a trade I took on Sunday evening, right before dinner. You know, it's something about making money on Sundays before dinner that just tastes a lot better than making money on Monday. Like today I made a little bit more money than I made yesterday, but yesterday's money feels just, I don't know, a little bit sweeter. It's weird, right? It's just because, I guess it's because it's Sunday and everybody's just watching TV, chilling, and you fire up the computer, open up your futures broker, and a couple clicks later, you make a couple $100, and hey, nice way to spend the Sunday evening right before dinner. So that's what I did. I traded futures yesterday, and we had a massive gap down. Like, look at this gap down. Like this drop. Like the futures open and just boom, drop from 28.20 all the way down to like 27.82. Monster drop. And we had this quick little pop and kind of started bear flagging. And we've seen this a million times. I said, you know what? I gotta get short in here. And you know, if we break, my plan was very simple. If we break over this with some umph, I'll stop out. And we do break over it, but it was nothing more than a stop hunt. I'll stop out, and then I'll look to re-enter up here in the 27. I'll start building a position up here in the 2800s, leading into like 2811 area, which was well, right here, 281250 area, like all this area. This is an area on the daily as well, and that should be resistance, and we should start, you know, fading it back down. It's just a lot of bad news over the weekend, so I thought to myself, we had a little bit more further downside before we had a stronger bounce. So these trades are pretty long. It's just one trade. We're gonna fast forward throughout it. I have 3 clips, you know, to go over. The first 2 are like 20 minutes long. It's a really long trade, but it was a nice profit. I got short 4 contracts into this bounce right here, okay? And it was just a very simple, straightforward play. That's it. We're going to go over. These are the micro-eminis, and we're going to see some of the little tricks, and I guess you could say, that I liked, or I don't know. I don't even know what the proper word would be, like tools. There we go, guys, tools. Some of the tools that I like with my new broker here, okay? And we're going to go over all of that. Now, the new broker, that's Optimus. That's the name of the broker. I'll leave a link in the description section. Just when you sign up with them, or when you call them up, I always suggest call them up. Let them know that you know are coming from me, from Jesse, from Jesse's YouTube, and they will take really good care of you guys. Matt is an amazing guy. Jake is great people. Their customer service is really, really good, and those are the guys you want to talk to. Let them know I sent you, and they'll take really good care of you. Their commissions are really good. They'll be happy to work with you on commissions, but you got to call them. You got to call them or email them. Talk to them directly. Don't just go to the website and just blindly go through the hoops there. Talk to them directly. They will be happy to work with you. And the lifetime license on this program is just, it seems totally worth it, guys. So far, I'm super happy with it and enjoying it very much. Now, I'm just short 4 MESs. These are the micro-eminis. So as you know, with the micros, each one point move is just $5. So in this case, each 1 point move is going to be a $20 change in my P&L, right? I'm risking here about 4 to 5 points is what I'm risking here for the shot at making 10 to 20 points. 10 points for a good chunk of my position, and potentially 20 points on the last take profit. And that's the plan I traded. So watch, here we go. There I automatically set my stop loss up here, just above this area. I set my stop loss. We get up there. I do move the stop a little bit because I see that we're getting a lot more red on the tape. Oftentimes you'll see this. They'll make a quick pop, okay, either direction, and you'll see the tape change. And the tape was showing me that there was major selling going on there. So it was just like a stop hunt, okay, or a panic cover. Now we start to now we start to come back down. Look at that. I would have kind of stopped out if my stop was too tight. That's why it's like, it's, in my opinion, it's always nice, and I always try to give it a little extra wiggle room because of stop hunts. So now this is obviously a 20-minute video. We're going to fast forward that. Look at that dump. That's a real solid dump. I'm still in my four contracts short. My cost basis is $27.92.50. We're going off at $27.88.50. Already up 75 bucks. You know, I take one off there, just one. That's not a major profit being booked there at all. That's just me lightening the load just a little bit, and you know, just if it goes against me, you know, I got a little cushion there, whatever it was, 10, 20 bucks. That's cool. That's fine. That'll keep me a little bit safe. You know, a little bit less risk on the table. I have 3 contracts left. Okay, now I'm looking to take 2 of those off down here in front of the low of the day, in case we double bottom, and holding on to one for that big extension move. Just like you see me trade all the time, guys. I set out a profit target right there, as you see. Boom. Okay. You see it right down here. I set out my profit target. That's just a limit order buy. Oops. We start to bounce around there. But every time, look at all that red. The tape was showing that there was a lot of selling pressure. It's like, okay, keep the order out there. I think I actually dropped that order down a little bit. Watch. Oh, maybe it's in the next clip. Oh, no. It was now. See right here, my cursor? I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you see the cursor right there? I just click that. And instead of having to go over to the montage and write out another order, I just click and drag it a little bit further down. And that's it. Now I got filled. It gets filled because it hit my new order. And I take about 10 points on those. That was $100 right there. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. All right, so I still have 1 contract left. Okay, now we're going to go to the next clip so we can watch that last contract develop. Whoops. Give me 1 second here, guys. It just went off to my other screen. All right, you can see everything right there. Boom. Okay, so now what I've done here is very simple. You see here my entry, okay? You see here my entry. You see here my new stop loss. What I've done is very simple. I actually had this stop loss and I was dragging it. I used it like a mental trailing stop, and every so often I just come over here, click it and drag it down some. Click it and drag it down some. Very, very simple. Okay? Now, we've gone all the way down here to 27.75 area. I was looking to take this off around 20. I was looking to see if we would break 27.70. If we would break 27.70 and just flush down, I was like, this is game on. So I was being extra greedy with this last take profit, because no matter what happens here, this trade, I'm going green on it. There's nothing else to talk about here. This is a green trade already. It's just, how green is it going to be? And I was going to try to extend this last contract as much as possible. But I do get stopped out right there. Right there. I was like, I knew it. When I saw that, I was like, okay. It's funny too, because at the same time, I texted my buddy who trades futures, and I told him, man, this thing needs to make up its mind. Either it's going to flush down or stop me out, because I want to go have dinner. And I closed it off right there. That was 50 bucks right there on that last one, plus my 100 and change from the previous 2 trades. That put me up $157.50 on Sunday evening. Okay, a very simple, easy trade. And it was so low risk, it was ridiculous. So that's it, guys. That was the trade I took on my futures trade on Sunday. Used the micro-eminis, used my new broker Optimus with their Optimus Flow software. Like I said, you definitely want to contact them and, you know, see about asking them questions you have, whatever they may be. Their fees, their commissions, you know, whatever questions you have for them, contact them directly, ask them. They will be happy to help you out. Like I said, talk to Matt or Jake, great people. They're eager to help. And as far as commissions, you can talk to them about it as well. That's what I traded. So real nice green day on Sunday. I love saying that. Nice green day on Monday. Looking to continue the week going strong. Let me know how you're doing. Make sure to drop that in the comment section below. Remember to smash the like button for me and check out the links to like Webull. You can download the app. You fund your account with $100, you get 2 free stocks. There's also First Trade, okay? That's another stock trading app. All you gotta do is open an account. You don't even need to fund it with any money, and you're gonna get 1 free stock. So make sure to take advantage of that. It's 3 free stocks, free money equals a free dinner. Hope you guys are having a great start to the week. Like I said before, any questions as well, drop them in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you, and I'll catch you on the next one.